Hi there, this is Alfie Whattam, London's tech recruiter and the host of the London Technology Podcast. Today I'm joined by Wasim. Thanks for joining us. Could you start by just telling us a little bit?
Hey everyone, my name is Wasim Khan. I am the CTO of I Love Greener Limited. Basically, me and my co-founder Lehar Gupta founded this organization this January. And before that, we completed our master's from Brunel University, and we were fresh graduate. And thanks to Brunel University, we were awarded and endorsed the startup visa, by which help we are able to start our business. So that's before that, I have like 3 years of work experience in core full stack development in Pakistan and in London. So
Awesome.
that's my history.
Great. So you've been in the industry for a few years. What advice would you give to people that are just starting out in the tech space?
Well, I would definitely suggest them to opt towards the latest technologies. Like in my time when I was doing my bachelor's and even when I was doing my master's, they teach in the class are just the basic concepts. Those are the concepts that are used in each and every framework or language or any field related to computer science you want to opt. But the thing that being practical is up to you. That is something you have to do it on your own. Because for myself, I was the one who likes to experiment with things. So even at a really young age, like when I started my bachelor's, I started tweaking with PHP, Laravel. And if I calculate my experience, including my bachelor's, then I probably have like 7 to 8 years of experience. But professionally, I would years. But the thing is, mean stack, then you should know all the possible scenarios in the mean stack. You should know all the frameworks. You should know which updates are coming, which version supports which scenarios, case scenarios, and which versions don't support some things. So in really, you can say start level or in layman terms, this is my advice.
Awesome. Good
Yeah.
advice. All right. What about from a tech perspective? Are there any technologies which you're interested in and you think will have
Yeah.
a big impact on the future?
Yeah, so my bachelor's was in computer science and my master's degree was in data science and analytics. So currently what I did is that I fused the two different fields together, like the full stack development that includes specifically the backend part of the web development and the machine learning part from my master's, that is data science and analytics. And it's kind of fun, like even in my company, in the sort of product which we are developing right now in I Love Greener, we are utilizing a lot of aspects of machine learning and AI on the server and integrating it on the back end, kind of making the full utilization of what you can say cloud technology, all the cloud technologies and the AI aspects. So just to give you an example, I mean, I'm not going to open up the whole chapter about what we're doing, but just to give an example, we are using different microservices. Like our core structure is on mean stack, that is Mongoose Express, Node, and Angular. The backend is obviously on Express, but we are using Python's specific library Flask as a microservices for our AI aspect. And to be honest, it's amazing. It's literally amazing. The possibilities what you can do with machine learning and AI is completely mind blowing.
Yeah.
Right now, we're just doing the basic stuff that is the regression classification. And even when we are doing that, and even if we achieve something in there, it's like, man, this is something which we dreamt of or we thought about it years ago, that when will it be possible? And now we are actually implementing that. We are actually over there. And like, if you look in the world, the examples are in front of you. Like in the past weeks, I think you might have seen the podcast, the launch of the Neuralink by
Yeah.
Elon Musk.
Yeah, Elon Musk.
Yeah, that's a revolution. That is the core definition of revolution. And literally, I am super excited to see what he has to offer.
Yeah.
Out of the box, and you can say off the record, I would say Elon Musk is a complete troll. Like his mind works in a way that you can't imagine.
Yeah,
The Boring Company, the name of his child, the Neuralink, SpaceX program, amazing. It's completely amazing.
yeah. That's very unique, and he's definitely someone worth following. Is very, very interesting indeed. And I completely
Exactly.
around what you mentioned, machine learning, AI. I mean, it's the future. I think everyone agrees that at this point.
Exactly. I mean, for me, Elon Musk is like motivation. For some people, people usually envy him. People usually like his thoughts, his products. Some don't like it, but most of the people in tech like it.
Yeah,
For me, I take him like a mentor. Like his vision is something far beyond anyone could have ever thought. And he has shown one thing, that never give up,
yeah, no,
and that
absolutely.
is a fact.
Yeah, it took him years and years and
His
years.
His
Yeah,
SpaceX program was one of the biggest examples.
yes, yeah. He to me, he is like a modern day genius, and there's not many of those. You know, every now and again you get like a Tesla or a Newton or an Edison, and he, I'm pretty sure he'll be remembered, in many ways amongst those people to a degree.
No doubt, no doubt. I mean, that guy has revolutionized the tech industry to a level that we, like 5 years 5 years back from today, we never imagined such stuff. We could have not thought of such thing. I mean, obviously there is contribution of other people as well, but again, I'm not going to brag about it, but yeah, I'm an Elon Musk fan. So what can I say?
Awesome. Cool. Well, me too. That makes two of us. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to get your ideas and insights. The advice and tips and tech was very useful. So thank you so much once again. And thank you to everybody for watching as well.
Not a problem. All right, Alfie.